Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
Alright, come over here. Alright, you can't get up there. Remember, you gotta stand right here. Ready? Hi, everyone. This is Shadow Dragon and Little Shadow Dragon. Say hi.
Hi.
Today we are here with a $500 Amped Airsoft Mystery Box. So, the label said it weighed 12 pounds. And, oh no, you think that weighs 12 pounds? Just big, it's just big. So, we have an old Gerber knife that we're gonna open it up with. Alright, watch your fingers. What do you think's in it? You don't know? Alright, ready? Watch your fingers. Yeah, one more. Alright.
Let's open it.
Open it. Packing peanuts. Nope. What's that? First thing is a helmet light. Alright, we gotta leave those in there, okay? So, first up, a EMG Matrix and Angel Custom light. That's gonna be a fun mess to clean up. What's this next thing? That is a Amped dead rag.
Yeah.
Yep, you wanna put that up front?
Yeah.
It is the invoice, which we will check after. Put that aside. Wait, we got more things. What are these? What is it? What are these? Are those stickers? Got Amped Airsoft stickers. Alright, put them right there. Thank you. Alright, and this is a Amped Airsoft 3.5 inch laser engraved Velcro patch. It says Coyote Brown. Alright, let's see that. What is that? A patch?
Yeah.
We also got a Amped Airsoft barrel cover. There you go. You want to put that up front? Alright, now we got a gator.
Gator.
It says Ghost Mask on it. There you go. You want to put it up front? Right up there? Alright, we got more stuff. Oh, it is KWA. 3120 round.
Open that.
Cutoff magazines. AEG.
Open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Here, open it right here. And I think that might... Nope, there's more. Oh, Ivy. This one might be for you. What is that?
It's my toy.
A toy? You want to show the camera what you got? Yeah, you got a toy. Make sure that is everything before you get to the big item. Alright, let's see if we can get this out without making a bigger mess than we already have. We're still going to make a little bit of a mess. Alright. PTS CM4 Centurion's Arms Electric Recoil Gun. And make sure before... Oh, there's one more item. Ooh, look, a pirate coin. You want to show the camera one more time? I think those are for you.
Yeah.
Alright, that is everything out of there. Alright.
Open it.
Open it.
Help me.
Help you. Alright, we gotta open it like this. There you go.
What is it?
What are those? Are those mags?
Yeah.
Show the camera it's mags. Yeah, turn it around. There you go. You wanna put it back? We'll probably use one here in a second. Oh, we gotta go the other way.
I want to play with a toy.
Play with the coin. Alright, let's open the big boy now. Alright.
I want to play that.
Ooh. And this is a KWA product, I believe. Not too shabby, actually. It's actually just like the LM4D. Like, quite literally, it's the electric version of the LM4D. And it's the Picatinny rail, which is what I got. So. Put the mag in real quick. Now this does have a pop-up. So whenever you put it in, make sure that is down. There you go. Ivy, what do you think?
It's a well done.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
It's big and heavy. Check. You don't want to hold it? Okay.
I want to play with this.
You're going to play with the packing peanuts? Alright, so let's go over what everything is.
I'm going to take my shoes off.
Take them off. Alright, so the gun itself, $379.99. The 3-pack of mags is $59.99. The patch is $24.99. Dead rag $4.99. Barrel cover $4.99. The marker is $5.99, and the gator is $26.99, coming up to $507.93. So we came out ahead, and that's actually a very good quality gun. Looks to be all metal. Rotary hop up in there. Ivy's enjoying the packing peanuts. The flip-up sights are solid. And it's got an actual metal flash hider versus a plastic red one. And it's actually probably can be removed right away, actually. Nope, there is a Allen key in it. But, yeah. Alright. Ivy, you want to say anything? Yeah, what are you going to say to the camera? You want to just tell them bye? We'll see you next time? Alright guys, this is Little Shadow Dragon and Shadow Dragon. We'll see you next time.